Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you personal finance ML project with Django. This project combines Django plus machine learning to predict credit score using real financial data. It includes EDA, notebook, ML model training, and a Django interface for live prediction. Before we start this video, if you have not much time to watch until end, then please use the 2x speed, but watch until end. And let's start this video. Here is the project. First, you need to make the python.venv env, and here is data, personal finance, and here is the notebook. You can look here, ed of the data. Here is the chart of distribution of card score and other. Now here is the images, correlation and distribution, income versus credit score, and loan type. These all images of the EDA. Here is the train ml.ipynb to train the model. The target is predicting credit card ML. Regression task. Now I am showing you all my notebook. Just look it. I use 4 algorithms in this notebook: regression, random forest, XGBoost, and TensorFlow, simple artificial neural network. But one thing, they didn't work because they showing me R score in minus, and minus R score, I mean negative R score, is not good for the task. Then I did the data engineering by using these all function that I am showing you. Then I train the again model. Then I choose the random forest regression, and then it give me the R score 0.9602. That is best. Now here is the predict the new model data result. Here is the credit score prediction documentation, short documentation of the notebook. Now next is Django folder, personal finance Django. In the personal finance Django folder is the main folder of the Django, and then ML app is the app of the Django. And here is the template, manage.py file, readme file. You look here, and here is the requirement file. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Now here is the app AI credit score prediction. Why I did say it AI app? Because ML is a subset of AI, and you can look here is the app overview. Let predict some scores. Now I entering the values to predict the credit score. Now I enter the values. Let predict. Here is your predicted credit score is 769. Okay, it fine. Here is the about this app. Welcome to the personal finance ML app, a smart way to stay financially aware, sorry. Here I add also my social media platforms. So this our app look, I like it very much. It is easy to stay financial of your credit scores. Again I am testing app. Let predict, and now here is the score. One thing, I changed the color of the score. Before it is showing the predicted value in white color, and white color is not visible there. Then I change it in the green. You can also change color in that you like. You can change this website to suit your needs. I am thinking soon I will be try to deploy this website on Amazon Web Service. If you want to make the video on deploying procedure, then I will be make. tell me in the comment section, then I will make. So this was our today video, and I am trying to push this website source code to GitHub, but it almost taking 2 GB, and on the GitHub you can only push the project that is taking 100 MBs is equal or less than 100 MBs. If you want to get source code, then you can get it easily, but you need to DM me in my LinkedIn. So DM me, then I will give you the source code of the app. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. We will meet again. Bye bye.